What is up, guys? AmazingMagicDude here, and instead of doing a magic trick for you today, I am going to solve... Oh, I dropped it. I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube. I had my brother mess it up for me. Now, caught it that time. I'm gonna solve this. Watch. I did it. I solved the cube. My face is itchy. A typical solve will take me like anywhere between minute 15 seconds, minute and a half, around that time area. Sometimes I'm less than a minute if I'm lucky. I am by no means a world record holder, or I'm not even close, guys. Like 6 seconds, like this guy right here. I'll give you a link. You can check out this guy right here. He it's insane how fast that guy is. It's crazy stuff, man. Absolutely nuts. I'll show you guys a real quick magic trick. Real quick one. Okay, look. I have two cards here, right? And you can see in between them is the Jack of Diamonds, right? Watch. Gone! Pretty cool, huh? I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is AmazingMagicDude. And as always, have a fantastic day.